We've got flags and banners, and if you mind your manners, we might even get standards and what they represent. So just take my voice's hand and we'll both try to understand how this flag unboxing video may be flagged for content. Flagged for content. Not sponsored. What's up, Vexheads? Today we have a video of me unboxing a package from Flags for Good. This is the only YouTube channel to have a long form video of a Brazilian flag being unboxed by Flags for Good. This video is going to have a lot of plugs today. We have a lot of things on the flagpole today. Not only really that unboxing that I have over there, over where I keep my flags right here. This package, you know the drum. I'm gonna unbox this, unpack it for the video today. So, yeah. I don't know what else you want from me from this video. You clicked on it, you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, you know what you're getting into. Anyways, watch the video. Oh yeah, forgot about something. I gotta do a few plugs here, like Andy does in his beginning of his podcast videos. Before anything starts, when you go for Flags for Good, use code flagged for content. That's with the letter, not the letter, sorry, the number 4, and then content. So flags for content, to get some monies off of the flags from your order, because I like to save money. You should like to save money too. Everybody loves to save money. So that is flags for, with the number 4, content. Again, that's flags for content with the number 4. Again, that's flags for. 2 more plugs. Make sure you visit the Flagged for Content social. I think I'll put their links in the comments. But actually, I'll just put the YouTube link in the comment. It's more easier for me. Another YouTube link is for my new National Anthems Military Marches video channel. It is called Anthem Legends. I'll put a big old picture over here. So yeah, check me out there. I'm going to be posting lots of national anthems and military songs when I feel like it, because I do it for fun. I don't know. Just stay tuned on that channel. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Are we rolling? Here we are. Okay. This is future Cody from that previous bit. Totally have no correlation at all. That just contradicted what I said, but who cares? If you pay attention to the first bit, that is before this, we have a flag unboxing video. So this is a quite important one for me. I've been listening to the podcast Flags for Content for a while now, and he's always sponsoring this website called Flags for Good. If you go into their website, they have a lot of flags and stuff, but the main thing about his website is that he makes flags that he considers good in accordance to the Ted K's good flag, bad flag rules. So if you're into that, you should check them out. However, if you know me, I'm more conservative in my flag preferences. I don't care or mind if a flag has a seal on it, only if the state or the place that has that flag likes it. Like for the flag of Maine voted to keep it. It should be their flag no matter what anyone says about them. Illinois as well. So, like I said, I've been watching flags for content for a while, and he gets a lot of his flags from Flags for Good, and I never got any flags from Flags for Good before, so this is going to be my first package from him. So there's only one flag here. It's the flag of Brazil, which is a Portuguese-speaking nation in South America. It is a big nation. It is the biggest nation in South America, and it is the largest nation in terms of Portuguese speakers. So, yeah, I don't know if you know this, but I'm Portuguese, so Portuguese American, like I said. Um, yeah, let's open the flag of their former colonies. So, first impressions. This is a package that is made from a recycled trash bag, which is pretty good for the planet. So let's just open this up here. I'm gonna turn my back around just in case if I show my address, I don't want nobody seeing that. So, actually, just open it like this. Saves me from the embarrassment. And you have to look behind me. I got a scissor right here. I don't know how to do that. There we are. Okay, here it is. What's this? Oh shit, that's... That's the packing slip. Good thing I didn't whip that out on camera. That would have been very bad. I used my address. And here it is. Wow. And there's a bit of things in here. Put the flag there. If you read all that, comes with a little our story card. Pretty cool, and it also comes with I believe this is a sticker. I'm not sure if this would actually fit on my flag rack, as I call it. Let's see. It's a little bit too big, height-wise, so this is the Brazilian flag. It was a 3x5 foot. That's what I ordered. And right off the bat, the quality's pretty damn good. It has a sheen to it. I love the packaging as well. This one has like a cardboard band wrapping around it, which saves from putting it in a bag. Because usually when companies put their flags in a bag, it makes them very creasy. It has lots of creases that are hard to get out when you're ironing them. Because the package just squishes it into a form shape, and the fibers morph into the shape of the creases. This one, the flag is more relaxed, which is beautiful. Alright, let's get this open. Wow, there's more things on the packaging over here. I'm not sure if I'm showing it the right way because it's reversed on the camera here. I have to reverse it in post. Alright. Let's show the front. Some hee-hee-hee-haws. Your Flags for Good. It's got some plugs over there. Brazilian flag. And a warning. Let's get this open. Oh, wow. Holy shit. That is nice. I'll do this upside down. Oh, wow. This is nice. The material's thick on this. It's polyester, but it's still thick. More thicker than my Portuguese one. Wow, it does have a sheen. Andrew was right. I'm in talks with Andrew right now because I kind of want to understand how good their flags are. And right off the bat, holy shit, this is actually pretty cool. This is pretty good. And the reason why I got the flag of Brazil from Flags for Good is because they're the only company that I've been looking to see if they have the correct regulated design for the Brazilian flag, because the flags for Manly, which I usually get, the stars are a little bit out of whack. This one has it spot on. And the colors as well. Colors as well pop. Oh, and it has the... Does it have triple stitching? No, it has triple stitching. Which is even better than double stitch. The bleed through, as Andrew said to me, looks pretty good. It doesn't look really bad like some cheap flags are. And the header is a lot better than Anthem. And if Andrew, if you're watching this header is way better than G128. So the G128 is between the Anthem and this, so it has a very good header on it. And more interesting enough, instead of having gold grommets, it has silver. So parabéns, we got a new Brazilian flag. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Can't wait to order more flags because I actually like it. Yeah, that's a good flag. Thanks for watching.